giving them food for it, because I don't want it to be a trick. You know, this is the important thing. I see so many people. We do the marker, me and Moses, over the years now, and later on it fails because this is the problem that they got. It's still a trick to them. You've got to put the discipline in.
Good boy, that's a good boy.
The problem is when you take it from being a trick to a trained exercise, and when you do it in protection, when the dog has got a bark on the mark at the hide, this is difficult for the dog. Then you must have the best control, because obviously the dog wants to ignore the marker then.
Don't stick him away because I think she wants to get another one of hers. The big male.
Wrong, I don't give him a command, I'm waiting for him to just get into that position, is that right?
Yeah, I also, yes, I can say.
No.
Oh, yeah. Good,
Yeah, it's part of shaping. Yeah, what you're doing is shaping the behaviour that you want.
Travis, you see when he was making him miss the ball then, do you reckon sometimes if you do that with the wrong dog it can dishearten a little bit like it misses?
Try loads of things to
Obviously, whenever you reward a dog, if you do the same, okay. That's it. That's it. You did good there. If you can give the dog a little bit more space. Remember, blocking doesn't work. So if you put your dog on the marker, you stand there so you can't go anywhere. It doesn't work. You've got to give the dog the opportunity to make the mistake. Yeah, never be scared of that.
It's all staying there for life. Once it's on the internet, it never goes.
Dogs don't make mistakes, do they?
Good.
Good girl. You've been sneaking those little sausages into his cage, haven't you?
Okay, now release the dog.
Good boy, come on, what's this?
Keep going, keep going.
Come on,
Keep going.
come on,
Yeah,
what's
lots
this?
of praise.
What's this?
Show him the food, but don't let him have it. That's it. Okay.
Well done.
Absolutely brilliant. Click. You can say yes. That is marking the behaviour, but what you're not doing is releasing the dog.
Yeah.
The dog has to learn it's still working.
Yeah.
All you're doing is telling the behaviour that you did is right. Yeah.
You're not releasing
And
after.
then you can release afterwards when the dog is stable.
So you know when you mark the behaviour, it's not as if you've got a good marker word and the dog understands it. It's not as good to have a conveyor belt of food coming into the dog, is it?
Yes.
Because the dog understands click.
Yeah.
Oh, I've done that.
Yeah. And with Michael, I would like a little bit more enthusiasm, drive here. You can tease the dog, you can make the dog run, you know. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a dog that on your mark. Okay. Yeah? You don't want that. You want on your mark. Yeah? Bit more drive. So we try again. Yeah? So what I want you to do, remember you're going to mark the behaviour. I'm going to click and you're going to say. I said to Michael that you teach the exercise as a trick, yeah? Positive training. But then we prove the exercise through discipline later on, you know. Otherwise it just becomes a trick, and a trick will let you down. Unless you prove it, it will let you down. Behaviour and the release command. Because if you know about anybody knows about the clicker, why do we use the clicker? The dog's doing heel work. The dog's doing heel work. I'll click, and what I'm doing is marking the behaviour that I want for the heel work. I'm not releasing the dog. Yeah, I'll carry on doing heel work, and then I'll release the dog, which is finish. It's marking the behaviour. Yeah, finish. That was better. You got it. Brilliant. Yeah. And you're looking for the dog to be stable. And again. Right, that's it.
Look. Yes. Finish.
Brilliant. Got it? No, not always. Once the dog is more experienced, now somebody else will put the ball out, or I'll put the ball out. You can't get the dog out.
You can't put a ball out in IPO, can you or not?
No, we're talking training.
The competition you don't.
Yeah, I know, but is the dog not thinking, I ain't seen him walk a ball out there?
Doing training, then about.
Yes, if that's what you do.
No, I mean in the competition, because obviously the dog's watching you put a ball out every time when you send away.
I know what he's trying to say, and what I've seen when Trav trains, the dog doesn't see the ball get put out, does it?
No.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
The ball's put out while the dog's off doing something else, and then the dog comes over.
Also, I like to use a dip.
Yeah.
Because for me, it's better that my dog doesn't have a
Can't see it.
visualised thing
Yeah.
for going out for the send
That's
away.
what I mean in training. You don't let your dog
I
see
want
your
the dog to
go out
believe that there is something out there.
at the end of it. Yeah.
Yeah. Right? And then I reward it. But it's very important that I also teach the dog a release command. Because when the dog goes onto the marker, I want it to stay there
Knows where to
until I
settle.
release it.
Yeah.
Yeah? It's very important because again that's going into the control work again. So I'm not just training the marker, I'm training control from day one.
Yeah.
Yeah? Even though I'm doing it with food.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Say I say mat or place. If I say place, the dog goes on. It's okay for me to say yes as a reward, then okay for it as a release.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, you can mark the behaviour. That's what the clicker does. The clicker marks the behaviour.
I guess it's a lot more easier for me to do than a clicker.
It's the same. I do the same. Yeah.
Mum to that is
Sean, a little bit longer is a little bit too quick. Yeah, he must make the connection in the brain that he's registered he's gone on it.